Hello, Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. Here we have a pump here. Gotta talk about it. Sean, so here is what's happening. First of all, the pump came, motor was just absolutely burnt out. Terrible, horrible, it was ridiculous. The pump smells so badly. Lots of residue inside, so I cleaned off as much as I can clean off the residue and the smell. Now, the second problem, this is your manifold with valves, and 3 spigots are broken, right? 1, 2, 3. See, these are the nipples, really. That's where the pipe goes on, the holes that clips on it. So the edges, the tops, these are the sealant surfaces. So if they're broken, there will be no pressure, no vacuum. It's gonna leak. I decided that I'm gonna put you another manifold. I had a parts pump and I put in another manifold here. So you have all spigots, all nipples are fine. No cracks, no leaks. But very important that you going to fish out, you remove the broken piece from the pipe. So you will have 3 broken pipes, broken pieces. So this is just the back end of the pipe. It's gonna look just like this. Obviously there's gonna be a connection like this, and this is how the pipe will look on the car end. And obviously it just clips over the nipple, right? So like that. And obviously inside is gonna be a broken piece stuck. So it's pretty simple really to pull it out. Just, you know, just take a, I usually use this kind of sheetrock screw, coarse thread. So I just feed it in there, screw it in slightly, pull it out. The piece is gonna end up at the end of the screw. So, you know, just screw it in slightly, and then you pull it out from the hose, from the pipe. Make sure you do that, because if you're gonna try to force it, you're gonna break these spigots. You're gonna break the ones that I put on, and that's no, because this is the last one I have. I don't have any more of these manifolds. This is the only one. I got 98, 99s, but this is 97. I don't have 97 manifold. So this is the last one that I put in that I had. Okay, that is that. And now we're going to run some tests here on the pump. Well, first thing is I'm running it at very low voltage. As you can see, it's below 12, right there. It's 11.8. The reason I do that is because I want to test the pump when the battery is weak, let's say winter time, or the battery is low. So I just want to make sure the pump is capable of producing pressure and vacuum to unlock the car even with weak battery. So the spec goes 0.3 to 0.6 or so. So this is 0.5 and that's 0.5, right? So let's do the vacuum here. Let's just go close up. So we're hitting 0.5. That's good. Let's just unlock the car. We're hitting 0.5 as well. That's on low voltage. Let me jump the voltage as operational voltage to 13.4. I think my power supply goes up to. So we were reaching like about 0.6 on full voltage, 0.6 here. So we're right, extremely accurately healthy on both fronts. High voltage, low voltage, perfect. That's our door lock. Next, moving on to rear trunk handle. All right, so let's see, trunk handle, I believe is this. So that's pressure, handle is extended. I let go, vacuum, handle is retracted. Okay, all right. And last but not least, headrests. Now headrest is going to be a little tricky to show because I shut down pressure and vacuum circuits here. So what I did here is I connected the actuator, right? So if I move the actuator, nothing is happening. These are the headrests, the rear headrests, they're not active. And this pipe is supposed to have engine vacuum, so when the engine runs, that's when you can fold headrest back down. When the engine runs, you got vacuum. So this little bottle basically is pretty much going to show the vacuum, right? So once I activate the circuit, I want these two pipes to connect internally inside the pump at the valve, so I will be able to move the actuator and the bottle will change the state, right? So let's just do that. Headrest release, active, as you can see. Oh, that's it, deactivate it one more time. Activate the release, because you know it's not going to be activated forever. As you can see, bottle moves. I can't just do it with one hand, it's very difficult. Alright, let's do it this way. Maybe I can just... Alright, so let's just try to do it this way real quick so I can drop this and move the actuator. And that's it, the valve deactivates, and now there is no physical connection between vacuum port and the actuator. That is just to show that it actually works. And again, just want to show lock, unlock. If everything is properly, let's unlock, that's lock. Timing is perfect, that's good. That's locking and unlocking. Now I can show you also the handle, I guess, just to show that handle extends, stays extended, and handle has been extended. I let go, trunk handle retracts. An extension, as long as the trunk is open, close the trunk, handle retracts. Okay, so pump is fully operational, ready to go. Please take care of the little spigots inside those pipes, and all is going to be fine with it. Pressure vacuums are good. The good news is that the actual vanes, they were not damaged, that the motor was burnt out terribly. I guess that would be all. This is it. Victor here, RestoreMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.